Hi folks, Steve the Hurricane here. It's Sunday night, which means it's time for another exciting episode of A Drink with the Hurricane. Cheers. Alright, so before I get started, I want to just say that it has been 1 year. It is our anniversary episode. For the last year, we have been putting out videos on marketing and sales for home care, private duty, and hospice. And business is great. Thank you all for your support and your love. For today's episode, obviously you can see I'm sporting a new do. It is the 4th of July week, and I want to talk to you about holiday marketing, because you see, right now is a great opportunity for you to capitalize on business. Most companies tend to put in a skeleton crew on the 4th of July, not have a plan in place, and kind of go on vacation and everything else. So this is a great opportunity for the rest of us to go out there, put in some kind of procedure, whatever it is. Even if it is people on call and nobody's in the office, that's okay. But put some kind of procedure in place as to what your 4th of July plan is. Then go marketing festive and fun. Bring American flag pins or cupcakes or something. Get the wig, because I'm telling you, this wig I have worn every single 4th of July. It goes over very well, all right? You go in, you tell them your 4th of July plan, so this way they know that you can still get admissions and you can still take patients on the 4th of July and what that plan is, and I guarantee you will get more referrals this 4th of July than any other 4th of July in the past. You'll probably have one of your best week of referrals because everybody else isn't taking admissions and you will be. So have a plan. Go promote it this week. Have fun with the holiday. Dress up. And folks, if you want to learn more about how to market and sell your organization, grow your business to levels you've never seen before, then sign up for Hurricane Marketing Bootcamp. For this month, we are going crazy and having a buy one, get one free special for this month only. Space is limited, so I suggest you sign up now and get your 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or however many people registered for the boot camp. So folks, I can't wait to see you. Till then, have a great one, and remember, don't just beat your competition, blow them away.